Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is going to be about why you use the yellow box trick. This gentleman is doing a tumbler, and it's got a white background. And a lot of people think it doesn't matter. Well, you can faintly see it, but it is engraved on this powder coating a light, and it actually took away part of her name because it's on top of her name. Now, I do not understand why he's using a halftone logo, and just for mainly the person I'm doing this logo for, you've got a really sharp, crisp vector logo in that file you sent me, and all you have to do is change this to black and white. And you could do numbers things when you go to arrange, group, ungroup all, and you could change the whole thing to black, and that would look pretty good. You could, this is evidently a powder coated tumbler, and I do not know all I've never done a powder coated one, but you could take the blues, shift selected them and make it a light gray, and then shift select the red. I'm holding down the shift button and make it black, and then run that logo. I think it would look pretty cool. So there's a result, and I do not understand why he's using them. This is a halftone. The school logo was that colored one, so I would think that would work. I mean, even all black, because the lines are separated, that in itself would work. If you're, okay, if you've got a cup that messed up already, just use it, rotate it 90 degrees and start that logo and see what it looks like, just the logo. Now, I am pretty impressed. He made his page size, the size, evidently the size of the tumbler, like 3.75 by 12.25. And he's evidently uses some indexing lines to get it all figured out. I actually use center engraving when I do stuff like this, but that's not part of this logo. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.